What's up guys, it's Clay from Verus Engineering here again. What we're going to be doing today, we're going to be going step by step how you're going to install your dive planes on your 2013 to 2016 VRZ. This is fairly universal from vehicle to vehicle, but obviously it's going to be a little bit different. You will have templates with your certain vehicle, so you shouldn't have any issues there. Alright guys, so first step of the process, what you're going to do, we've got to remove this, or not remove the fender liner, but peel it back a little bit. So there's going to be 4 plastic rivets here that you're going to use your Phillips head screwdriver to remove. Now after you peel that fender liner back, you're going to take your supplied templates. As you can see, I just cut the top corner out, and then you are going to tape it just underneath your side marker light right here where it tells you to. Now before you guys mark any holes with your center punch, what you will want to do, line up your holes to make sure they line up. We're good. So now you can go about marking those holes. After you get your holes punched, you're going to use your 1/8" drill bit to start out. Now once you get your holes drilled, you're going to switch to a larger drill bit. This is going to be your 11/64. Now what you'll want to do is remove the template and then use your countersink very lightly to just clean these holes up a little bit. Alright, so now it's going to be time to test fit your last time. And then what you can do, what I am not going to do, you're going to do your M4 bolt with a washer through your dive plane, through the bumper, and then a washer and a nut on the back side. I am actually not going to use the washer because I like the little bit more sleek of a look. Alright, now the last part is just to button it up. You're going to take your 7mm wrench, you're going to feed that through on the back side to hold your nut, and then you'll take your 2.5 Allen key to finish it out. Now once you get those bolts all tightened up, what you're going to want to do is put your 4 plastic rivets back in that fender liner. Then you're going to do the exact same process for the other side. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram and Twitter, just to stay up to date on all of our latest videos. Until next time.